Welcome back to Carnivore Found Me, your Dirty Carnivore channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to detoxify meat using just 2 ingredients. So if you suffer from histamine and you enjoy eating red meat, then this is definitely the video for you. So by incorporating these 2 ingredients into your cooking routine, you can improve your nutritional value and promote better health. So watch till the end so you'll learn how to detoxify your favorite dishes. First, let's talk about the chemicals found in meat, and then we'll share the 2 ingredients. No. Let's first thank the new subscribers. So I'm not on YouTube every day. One moment. I'm not on YouTube every day, but I checked in today and I saw 190 subscribers, and I was like, did YouTube make a mistake? What is going on? But anyway, I'm just thankful. I'm thankful that you guys found your way here, and I hope you'll continue to come back. And please put your comments in the post your comments in the comment section so we can find out more. We can share information with each other. So now let's on to the preservatives and chemicals in meats. So let me share my screen, and as usual, I don't have pulled up what I need pulled up. So here we go. So preservatives and chemicals found in meat. It says nitrates and nitrites, commonly used in processed meats to preserve color and prevent bacterial growth. They can contribute to histamine release and intolerance in some individuals. Sulfites, used as preservatives in some meats to prevent spoilage and maintain freshness. Sulfites can trigger histamine release in sensitive individuals. Benzoates. These are used as preservatives in some meat products and can also be a histamine trigger. Then we have BHT and BHA. Okay, I'm not going to try to pronounce that long word. It's synthetic antioxidants used to prevent fats in meat from becoming rancid. They may also contribute to histamine intolerance. So there we have it. So let's get on with our video, and we're going to discover the 2 main ingredients that we use to help detoxify our meat. Sometimes red meat can give you a little histamine, so I'm going to be using this Celtic sea salt to basically, I'm going to pour it on it. And yeah, it looks like a lot, but we're going to let it soak in there. Okay. Now let's turn it over. Salt the other side. Yes, I know it looks like a lot, right? It looks like a lot. And let's take our plastic bag here. Oops. Let's see. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. So let's put that in. Put it in our plastic bag here. You see the salt is still on it. We want to make sure. It has the adequate amount of salt. Let's pour that little bit of salt in there. Okay, so this is day 2 of removing whatever ingredient is in this steak that causes histamine. So day one, we used the Celtic the Celtic salt, and we put it on the steak and put it in a plastic bag. Today, and that was for 24 hours. So today, we're actually going to rinse the Celtic salt off. Okay. We're going to use paper towel to dry it off. Okay. And now we're going to put our baking soda over it. We have a new plastic bag. So I'll turn it on this side and put it in there. Let's move our plate out the way. And now we'll put the baking soda on the other side to remove any of the negative ingredients that's inside of this steak. Okay. So we'll close the bag, but we'll leave one side open. We'll leave a little hole here. And we'll put this back in the fridge for another 24 hours.